Hey, welcome to the beersjackofbbq. Check out the Wagyu Filets we did on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Got the SNS Travel Kettle set up here for some indirect cooking. Got two really nice Wagyu 8-ounce fillets from Hassell Cattle Company. Over Memorial Day, they had a 40% sale, so Jack and I took advantage of it. Got ourselves a few different cooks. We kind of did some earlier, and we were like, well, we won't do that again, but the sale was too good and the meat was too good last time we tried it, so we thought we'd go at it again. So got them both probed here with a MeatStick V. Gonna put them on the grill, get to about 80 like our normal. We turn them, get to about 110, 115 depending, because they're smaller, and then just some quick searing and we'll be done. So, I did salt brine them, dry brine them 24 hours ago with salt. And then just a little while ago, I hit it with some garlic, onion powder, and pepper, just to kind of give it a little bit more flavor. So let's get these on the grill. All right, let's get them on. Grill's running right around 225 right now. Perfect. It'll probably climb to 250, but again, perfect. So again, gonna be monitoring these. We'll bring it back when we do some flipping. All right, we just passed 80 degrees. Grill is just under 250, which is perfect. It looks nice. All right, we're gonna let these go, I think maybe 110, and then I'll start searing them, because we have the MeatStick V in there, so I can watch it while it's searing. So this will be perfect. All right, so we had one steak hit 110. I just want to kind of check things out, see where we're at, because being that the steaks are a little bit smaller, it's 111, it's 105. Yeah, gonna go in just another minute. I'm gonna pull them off, then I'm gonna let in fact, I'll open it up now, let it get some heat going, and then we'll bring you back for the searing. All right, so the grill itself is still just right at 250, which is perfect. And I left them go just another like 2 minutes, and I'm gonna let this thing wide open to get some flame going so we can do some searing. All right, so we got a pretty decent fire going here to get some searing happening. We'll see what happens. Gonna do our typical minute aside here. We'll see if we can last a minute. All right, here's a minute. All right, there's the next minute. Looking pretty nice. All right, one more time. You saw me take readings there. They were reading about 123 to 125, which is perfect, because these will rise then to probably close to 130 and should be a still really good medium rare here. All right, there's the last minute. So I think we're gonna be good there. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good dinner. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Two Wagyu fillets. They were 8-ounce fillets from Hassell Cattle Company. We got them on right when they passed 85. We flipped them when they got to about, the one actually got to about towards 115, and I checked the temperatures, and we were right on about there. So I left them, at that point, left them on 2 more minutes, pulled them off. They each rose to 123, one to 121 before it started going the other direction. Then seared them 2 minutes aside each side, and it was reading, still was reading okay, so hopefully we were still at that medium rare. So Oh, I did mention I did salt brine him 24 hours in advance, and then before the cook, I hit him with garlic, pepper, and onion. So see how we did. Oh wow, that looks really good. You can tell the Wagyu, I mean, this is just so tender. Wow. Wow, that was really a good bite. And filet's not my favorite. For the amount of marbling that's in these, this makes it really good. We did another cook too when my wife and I have been pickling vegetables. So we got a little bit of an Italian blend here with some tomato, cucumber, and onion in there. Gonna be our side. So hopefully you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell and notifications, and we'll see you next time.